Hi, are you eating cereal this morning? Hi everyone. So in this video today I will be showing you guys how to embroider on a store-bought beanie. So in the previous video I showed you guys how to make this fleece one that we sew from scratch. And so if you don't want to do all that work, you can buy store-bought beanie just like this. This one's from Walmart. It's like $2. You see that's so $2 and it's stitched out pretty quick. So I made this for my daughter friends. It's a gift for her for Christmas. So I'm gonna make two matching ones. I already did one for friends and I'm going to do one for her. And for this one I'm just going to be using my hoop from that came with the machine, and it's pretty tiny, so it fits right into the 4x4 hoop here. So what I do is I know that this is, let me see where the tag here, it's in the back, so the back is this side, so I have to mark my front so I don't get confused and mess it up. I'm just gonna take a small piece of tape here and fold it in half like this, so I find my center. So this is my center. I mean, if you want to be really accurate, you could use a ruler to measure. And it's about right. Like I just use a measurement from here. And then all I have to do is just pull it inside out. And then I'm going to be spraying the adhesive, the basting adhesive, which is this. There's different brand. I just use this one, 505, and I bought a bunch from Amazon, so it came in like a bundle. But you can buy them from Joann. Walmart also has some too. So just lightly spray it. You don't need a lot. You just need just lightly spray it. So all I have to do is just put this piece. So this has to be sticking out because I need to close this. It's easier with the mighty hoop, but I didn't have the 5x5 mighty hoop, so I have to use this. And if you use a large one, it'll stretch the hat out, so you don't want to use a large hoop. You want to use the smallest one that will, you know, fit your hat and your design. If you have the mighty hoop and the mighty hoop station, it'll be easier to hoop than this, like trying to pull everything in and everything not shift. So I don't need to go all the way. I'm gonna leave a little bit of space. But I just need to make sure, yep, it's all the way back. And then I'm trying to line it up with this groove right here, like the tape. And then just smooth it out with the adhesive that I put on there. So hold it down. That's all you have to do. So try to line it up. Okay, it's lined up. I think I didn't open this enough, so I have to open it. This ring. Loosen it so you can put your hoop through it. Okay, I pull it back too much. So I need to go pull it back because I need to save a little spot up here. There we go. I'm checking. Look like everything is well hoop. So you see the tape lines with this notch right here. That notch. That's all I need to do. Now just make sure it tighten. And you don't stretch this out, okay? Because it's already hooped pretty good. I'm not even like pulling this. You're not pulling it. Just hoop it like that. And then just tighten. So you will need water soluble for this project, but I'm gonna go to my machine and then use the camera to align the image first, and then I'll put water soluble on it. So let's go to the machine. So here I already have the design hook, the design loaded. So make sure this bottom go under it. I'm going to use my camera to see where I need to place the image. So I think this is good. This is good. The good thing about this is it has a camera, so I can see where the placement is. And then I'm just gonna take a water soluble, just place it over it, and I'm not gonna pan it. I'm just going to tape it down with masking tape. So I'm just going to do the edge. Because since I did not hoop the water is soluble, it could be shift during embroidery. So I need to tape it down. Kind of look really sloppy. Let me see. So sloppy. This is so sloppy. So I just don't tape near this part where it's going to be embroidered, just enough to hold around it. I think this is good. So now I already assigned all my color, so I just hit the embroidery and that's it. This is all you have to do for a store-bought beanie. If you don't have a multi-needle, then on the single needle, there's a lot of tutorial on it where people have to hold it and do it, like lift it up like this, and they just hold it so it doesn't get caught. Okay. That's it, you guys. Yeah, Cloud is still up with me. He took a long nap, so he's not sleeping. He's singing his ABC. Bye everybody. Please like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time. Bye.